Hi everyone, I'm Pallavi Iyengar. Let's make a special pakoda. I'll be making South Indian style Paneer Pakoda. This is a very simple recipe. You can make it in a jiffy and this works as a great snack. Now to this, we're just going to add a few flavors to make it South Indian style. So the first thing I'm going to put is some green chillies. And then goes soft, that's fennel seeds. So we got some finely shredded curry leaves, and to this, of course, some salt. And what we have here is ginger garlic paste. So to this, I'm going to add some refined flour to add some structure, very little, and then some rice flour. And that's it. This is your pakoda mix. We're just going to mix it really well. You don't have to add any water because the paneer is soft and moist enough. As you can see, it's coming together so well already. So as you can see, the mixture is looking good. Now what we'll do is I'm going to make round pakodas. So I'm taking small portions of the mixture and shaping it into balls. And while you're making this, ensure that you've already placed some oil for heating. So there you have it. The oil is also hot enough. Now we can start frying the pakodas. Gently stir them so that they don't get stuck to each other. The ones we added first have already started to brown. These are done. So the pakodas are ready. Now quickly serve them. So when you bite into these, it's going to be nice and crisp on the outside and soft on the inside because of the paneer. So there you have it, South Indian style Paneer Pakoda is ready. So do try out this recipe for your friends and family because it's tasty, spicy and absolutely delicious.